In this video, we will learn about how to change percentage into a fraction. These are percentages and we have to change these percentages into a fraction. So start from this first question. This is 30%. So first of all, you have to put line over here, 30 over here, and remove this percentage sign. You have 100 over here. So after that, this is cut off and answer is 3 over 10. This is a fraction because this is the lowest form of this fraction. So how you can change, you can see here again 40 divided by 100 because we have to change this percentage sign. So after that, remove this 0 with this 0 and you have 4 over 10. Now simplify it with the same table. 2 2s are, 2 5s are. So this is 2 over 5. So this is your answer of this percentage to fraction. Now look at 50%. So this is 50. Write 100 over here because we have to remove this percentage sign. When you remove percentage sign, 100 as a denominator. So in this case, put this 0, cut off this 0. You have 5 over 10. 5 1s are, 5 2s are. You have 1 over 2. This is in fraction. Okay. Now 25%. Now this is interesting. 25 over 100 because we know that we remove to percentage sign and put 100 as a denominator. So now 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10 and this 0. This is 5 over 20. Now this is again divisible on 5 because you have to convert this fraction to lowest form. 5 1s are, 5 4s are, this is 1 over 4. Okay. Now the next is 75 divided by 100 because we have removed percentage sign. So in this case, this is also divisible on 5. This is 5 1s are, 2 carry, 5 will become 2 carry and this 5 will become 25. 5 5s are 25. Okay. Now 5 2s are and this 0. After that, this will be again divisible on 5 because we have to change this in lowest fraction. So 5 3s are or 5 4s are. Okay, this is the fraction. Now after that, again with 90 divided by 100 because we have removed percentage sign. This 0 will cut off with this and this is 9 over 10. This is the answer because this is not further divisible on any table. 3 3s are 9 and 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. So 10 is not divisible on 3. If 10 is divisible on 2, then 9 is not divisible on 2. So this is the answer. So you can see that these are the fraction. We have changed these percentages into a fractions. In this way, you can change fraction percentage into a fraction. Look, this is the method and simple method to change percentages into a fraction. I hope so you got the idea. If you still have any problem, you can comment under the video. If you find this video is useful for you, please hit a like button, comment under the video and subscribe this channel and share with your friend. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching this video.